setup of your Samsung Galaxy A15. So I just took this out of the box and let's go through this first time setup process together. So the first thing you want to do is long press the power button, which is on the side. So long press on that button, hoping your battery has some charge in it. When the Samsung logo appears, just release. Now, if you long press that button and nothing happens, your phone might have run out of battery, so you might want to plug it into a charger and charge it for a couple of minutes before you try again. Now, this is the first thing you're going to see, the welcome screen. So we're going to tap on start to start the setup process. But before you do that, make sure you go and choose the language you prefer to use your phone in. You can select any language because you can actually change the language later on in the phone. Now mine is already set to English UK, so I'll leave it at that. Tap on start. And then of course you have to read and agree to the end user license agreement and privacy policy. If you want to, you can just agree to this as well, or you can just tap on agree to all and that's going to automatically select all. But I prefer to select that and then tap on agree. Next, it's going to prompt you to set up using another device. Now, I will do that, but I want to set this up manually. So I'll tap on set up manually. It's going to prompt me to choose my Wi-Fi network. So I'll just choose my Wi-Fi network and then put in my Wi-Fi password. Once you do that, tap on connect. And once you're connected, it might take you to the next page of the service provider setup, and more often than not, it's going to require you to restart your phone. That's because it's detected where you're from and it's going to restart and prepare for you the phone according to your location. So I'll just tap on restart. This might not happen for everyone, but in case it asks you to restart, just go ahead and restart. So the phone has restarted and it's telling me it's getting my phone ready. So all I have to do now is just wait. Now it prompts me once again to copy apps and data from a different phone. But like I said, I'll just choose don't copy. Now it's going to prompt you to sign into your Google account. That's the Google account that you're going to be using on this phone for the Google services, including the Google Play Store. Now, I'll just select skip for now because I'll do that later. And I also want to keep the video short. So here we have Google services, read and accept. And then you can choose a security feature to protect your phone, either face recognition, fingerprint, PIN, password or pattern. So you have all these options. Now I'll just skip that as well for now. But of course you can set those up if you want to. Then you have recommended apps. You can choose to install or just skip them. And then again, it's going to prompt you to sign in with your Samsung account. So you can sign in, or if you want to skip, just tap on forgot password. And then from the menu, just tap on set up later in settings. It's going to try and tell you why you need a Samsung account, but then you can just scroll down and tap on skip. And then you have Samsung services, which you have to agree. Choose your display mode. So I'll choose light mode as a default. Tap on next. And now it says I'm all set up. And all I have to do now is tap on finish. And here is your first look at the interface of a Samsung Galaxy A15. Well, not yet. So just tap on later. Exit app setup. Yes. So now here we go. So here's the first look at the interface, the default theme, and the default apps on your Samsung Galaxy A15. Thanks for watching.